Hello everyone, konnichiwa. I am YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we are going to make kids-friendly Japanese sweets. We are going to make two kinds of Japanese snacks. One, brown sugar steamed bun, and two, egg bolo. We say tamago bolo in Japanese. Bolo is small cookies. Have you ever heard the bolo? My children are getting bigger and they want snacks, usually in the afternoon. So I try to make homemade snacks as much as possible. I would like to share some of my recipes today. Hope you like it. And as usual, my helpers, Mario and Luigi, will be joining. Maybe. And during this video, I'll show some tips and cooking ideas. So please watch until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. the brown sugar syrup steamed bun, and egg bolo, tamago bolo are ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます。Here's a steamed bun, round shape, and it's so cute. It has a gentle taste of brown sugar, so soft. It might be good to try kinako powder or matcha powder or cocoa powder as well. Next, egg bolo. Ooh, I'll try the plain flavor. It has a gentle taste too. Yeah, I used to eat this tamago bolo when I was a little, so it tastes a little bit nostalgic for me. How about cocoa flavor? Cocoa flavor is so good. It's I recommend to use as a substitution of chocolate. Then matcha. It has a little bit bitterness at the end, but this is a taste that children can enjoy. My son loves matcha flavor, so I'm sure he likes it. And coffee. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips of today's menu. Tip: I used block type brown sugar today, but if available, I recommend granular brown sugar. In the case of lumps, it is better to heat them in a microwave little by little and mash to make a powder. Tip: when steaming, the parchment paper in a pottery cup and then pour the mixture until, let's say, 80% high. Okay, how was the video today? I hope this recipe inspires you to make homemade Japanese snacks for your children and for yourself. Would you like to know more about Japanese food and culture and family life? Please join our mailing list. To sign in, please go to my website, yjc.tokyo, yjc.tokyo. When you visit the site, the pop-up screen comes up. So please type your email address and name and click. And that's it. Before watching the other videos, don't forget to hit like buttons. If you see this video for the first time, please subscribe my channel. Please tell me what kind of snacks do you eat usually? My children love the potato-based snack called jagariko. I created the home-style jagariko on another video. Please check it out. And this fried and caramelized sweet potato called daigakuimo is also famous. Did you taste the sweets? Don't forget to try my recipe. If you have children, please also tell me what kind of snacks do you give to your children from the comment box down below. Have a wonderful weekend and new week. I'll see you next time. Mata ne!